Hello, friends. Yeah, today my session is like how we can filter cable tray through this service type. Okay, so we have mentioned like different service type. So how we can give a cable tray through this service type. Okay, so I will start with how to draw the cable tray. Go to the system tab, to the system tab, then go the cable tray. Okay, then you just first you select the cable tray size. I'm just 600 mm. Okay, choosing, and I given this name like cable tray 600. Okay, I just giving the name 600. Okay, and here also you can duplicate this one. Will give like edit type and duplicate, and you can give the name like 600. Okay, so the cable that will not affect this channel cable tray, the original cable tray. So I given the name 600. Okay, then we will give like 600, and we just create one cable tray over here. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is the cable tray. Yeah, this is all the cable tray. The name is cable tray 600, service type 600. Okay, the size is 600. Okay, so we given the name 600. Okay, and yeah, this is also cable to 600. Okay, then the next one I'm just creating another one with another size. I just giving 225, and I am changing here the name to 25. Okay, and I just duplicate this one. Just want to duplicate this one. The name is cable tray 225. Okay, the same way you can do another one also. Like I'm just creating one cable tray over here. Okay, like this, and another cable tray I need to draw 450. So I am changing this one. That name service type name is 450, and I just duplicate for the this one duplicate, and I'm typing like 450 cable tray. Okay, then I give okay, and I give okay, and I just draw one cable tray over here 450 okay, 450 okay, then another one more cable tray I need to draw. Then I just choose this one, uh 750, and I giving name like 750. Okay, here, and I just go to here, and I choosing this one duplicate, and I giving the name 750. Okay, and I click OK, and I just draw one more cable tray over here like this. Okay, so we created almost a four cable tray. So how we can give the filter that we can see right now, how we can give the filter for this cable trace. If you look the 3D, yeah, it is showing like this. Okay, just fine, I'm giving and realistic. Okay, the cable tray it's look like this. Okay, cable tray going like this. Okay, so we will see how it's work here, the service type. Okay, then we will just type visibility graphics, then go to filter, then we need to add edit new, then we creating some cable tray name. First of all, which one we created, 225. Okay, 225, and we given the name 225. Okay, and we just type from here cable tray and cable tray fittings, and here we just choose. There is lot of options are coming, the identity data are coming. So just type service type. Okay, and equal to is 225. Okay, so others 450, 600, 750 are there, but we will choose corresponding this cable tray name. So we choose this one 225 and click OK, and we'll go there and just duplicate this one, just duplicate one more time, and just duplicate one more time. Okay, so another cable tray I need to choose. I need to choose which one, the rename. This one I need to choose 450. Okay, 450 I created, and another one what we can do, this one rename it, um rename it 450 we given, 225 given, 600. This will call us 600, and another one 750, right? 750. So we have four cable tray we drawn there, one 225, 450, and this one. So in the 750, you just we already duplicated, that is why it's showing here. We selected cable tray and cable tray fittings. Service type just changed to 750, and even the 600 already they selected that two things, because while we duplicating it will come the properties there. Okay, so 600 we are changing, the cable tray size is 600. Okay, then some 450 you selecting means it already coming here, cable tray and cable tray 15, and 450 we is choosing. Okay, and 750, it's 750 service type is 750, because we given here name, right? So service type 600. Okay, so just click apply. Okay, and what will do the next thing, we need to add those filters here. Okay, so we just press shift and select it, and just okay, so it will come here. So you can give the color over here. Solid, first you check the patterns and override, go here solid fill and give some color. Okay, and select this one and give some same color. Okay, and okay, so this is come here, and another cable tray, just choose solid fill, and which we giving this color, and we will solid fill again. Okay, and this color. Okay, and give an okay. And another things, just check this another cable tray and give another name, another color, green or something like that, whatever your standard company standard, you can give this like this. Okay, so the another color I'm choosing this one. Okay, and this one solid fill, I'm choosing this one. Okay, so these colors are ready, the patterns are ready. So if you need to give the lines also, you can give it. Okay, and just give apply. Okay, so it's work. See, so the same thing you can do in the um, this the same thing you do in the 3D model also. Just type VV and filters, and just add those cable tray, shift and add those cable tray and give here, and the same pattern colors you can use it, which are the color used for each cable tray, you can use that one. Okay, so I'm just clicking that one. Okay, and another color, you can choose red, or which color you use it for the same color you can use over here also, so it will affects here. Okay, in the 3D view also you can choose that one. And here then green. Okay, and this one, so a green. Okay, okay, and another one I think uh, something cyan. Okay, even I am, which are the color you like, you can give it. Okay, and just give apply. Okay, so these cable trays 450, sorry, VV, and go to filter. So field. Okay, okay, and you just change this one to shared. Okay, so it will work here. Okay, so you can get in the 3D also the same color. Okay, and you can go to the power. So each cable tray having this same, what are the color you can give, the it will reflect here. Even in the 3D also you can do the same thing. You need to share, you need to give the shared shared, and just rotate. You can see the here the cable trays are the filter are working here. So this is the one way we can use the filter command through this service type. Okay, so you can easily you can filter it this one for the quantity taking time. So each cable tray names are like this. So if you want to new cable tray, just create similar. Okay, we will use this one. Just check here whether you are selected the same cable tray, then you need to um, ch- select this correct service type here. Okay, so it will works here. Okay, so it will come like this. So if you need to draw another cable tray 750, you just create similar, but you should need to check here 750 is coming or not. Okay, so that will be work here. Okay, and again you need to make this cable tray. So just create similar cs create similar. You can use this one, otherwise cs command, and just check this one 225. Okay, here you need to change. Okay, so you can draw the same cable tray over here, and you need to create similar this one. Just type it that one, which is that one 450. Just select that one 450, and it will work like this. So easily you can segregate, and easily you can draw these cable trays using filter. So hopefully you people are understood this thing. So if you like my video, please subscribe it and share it, and you can, any doubt, you can contact me through mail or through the comments. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you. Thanks for supporting. Thank you.